Hello everyone, I am PhantomHaxxor and welcome to the 5th episode of Roblox How To. In this episode, I will be going over variables in detail. I will explain what they are, how to use them, and the difference between local variables and global variables. This video will require knowledge about ROBLOX Studio and the Properties tab. If this is your first time opening ROBLOX Studio, or you don't know about Properties, I have linked both videos in the description and in the video cards. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe as it lets me teach scripting on Roblox to more people. Before I begin, here are the timestamps for today's video. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. What is a variable? A variable, in basic terms, is a name that can hold values. Variable values can be things such as numbers, strings, booleans, data types, and more. Variable names can be any non-reserved strings that include letters, digits, and underscores. However, variable names cannot start with a digit. Here are a few examples of variable names. Keep in mind that Lua, which is the language that Roblox uses for scripting, is a case-sensitive language, meaning variable names such as variable name with no capitalization and variable name with full capitalization are two different variables. Here are the reserved names that cannot be used as variable or function names. Assigning a value to a variable is really simple. It is done through the equals operator. Here is a code example. A variable that already has a value attached to it can have its attached value changed simply by assigning another value to the variable. In Lua, you can have multiple variables in the same command by using a comma to separate them. In Lua, variables can only exist in one of two scopes, global or local. All variables will default to global variables unless they are declared as local. A global variable is visible to all scopes, meaning the x value can be read in the function as well as the scope outside the function. A local variable is visible to only the scope that it's declared in via the local statement, meaning the local x value in the function will be different than the value in the scope outside the function. Now that you know what variables are and how to use them, and the difference between local and global variables, here is a challenge. In the description, you will find a link to a paste bin with some variables and functions. See if you can figure out which variables are local and which variables are global. I have also left a link to the source material and the developer wiki in the description in case you get lost and need help with understanding the material in this video. Thank you for watching the 5th episode of Roblox How To. I am PhantomHaxxor and I will see you in the next episode. Have a great rest of the day.